Presenting a paper at the conference that's as reputable as PEMD is invaluable in building a career. It helps you build contacts, and it also helps you build contacts with industry, which eventually lead to job opportunities further down the line. I think presenting in international conferences is an invaluable part of the research atmosphere and the career of any researcher, but also a must in terms of building a successful career. I always remember the days when I was a postgraduate researcher and I was traveling to different conferences, including PEMD, to promote my research and learn from my peers about its relevance and the ways that I can improve it, but also what other people are doing in my field. It's an essential part of making you a successful researcher, but it's also very important to interact with industrial partners in these conferences. Again, thinking back at my experience in these, I've had occasions where bumping into people completely unplanned at these events has led to big research projects or directions that I've taken in my research that I wouldn't have taken otherwise.